Need a lot of space for little money? Take a look at this 3-bed 2-bath home Crocker on over an acre lot. Walk in to find spacious living room that overlooks the updated kitchen and dining area. Floor plan features large master with ample closet space and full master bathroom. Basement includes family room, utility room, with additional wood heat source, and cellar area, great for additional storage space. Enjoy and relax in backyard with decorative pond. The electric bill was very little with the wood furnace during the freezing cold temps we have had this winter. Call for a showing today.